In this lecture, we are going to work on accessing Order Details API. As soon as we click on order, this complete information should be rendered with complete order details. Let me come to demo. In this way, we have to render complete order details. Here, we will render complete order items, shipping info and order summary. Before proceeding with the page, first we have to access API. For that, let me come to order slice, copy this entire thing, and below this we are going to paste. I will write get order details. I will give the function name as get order details, and action type I will be passing order slash get order details. And inside this, as a payload, we have to accept order ID. So here I will be passing order ID. And here we are getting all the orders, and what route we have to pass, let me remove. Instead, I will be using template strings. Here we have to pass slash API slash v1 slash order, and then whatever order ID we are having, that ID we have to pass. And let me open order routes. But here, while creating this project, this order ID we have given access only to admin. But this single order information normal user can also access. So I will copy this complete route. Below this I will be pasting. I will give the route as order slash ID. Exact same thing which we have passed, order slash ID. And inside this my orders, as soon as user clicks on the button, we will be redirected to same route. So in this way we will be passing, and this is get request. For this, we will not be passing this role based access. Even normal user can access this route. And from here, I'm just going to remove get request. So in this way, we are just going to modify the route. Even normal user can see all the order information. So that is the reason in this way, we will be passing the route, that is order slash order ID, and we'll fetching whatever order ID we are having, that order ID we are going to pass. And here, let me remove. Instead, I will write fail to fetch order details. Now scroll down, copy this entire builder. Below this paste, get order details, comma, and inside this I will be passing get order details. And inside this I will be passing get order details, copy, paste and paste. For pending and rejected, we don't have to change anything. Instead, failed to fetch order details. I will only change the message. Now here, let me just come, click on this function. While accessing this function, we are having success through and we are having order. So from payload, we will access order, and whatever order we are having, that order we are going to assign to this order state. And in this way, we are just going to access success. So whichever order ID we are having, based on that order, we are going to find the order. And once the action is dispatched, we will be updating the state. So that's it. Very simple API. And accordingly, based on the route, we have changed the route inside order routes.js.